Today we're going to be doing some scalp micropigmentation, also known as SMP, and we're going to be putting little dots of color all in her scalp to fill in the blank spaces where she's been putting powder. So we've been numbing her at this point for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to go in between and put tiny little dots of color in the same color as her hair to kind of fill in the area and make it feel like she's got a lot more hair.
Well, today was a big day for me because I had my eyebrows microbladed and my scalp micropigmented by TAMPA. I love my scalp already. I can already tell that the hair doesn't look quite as thin, you know, she's put some color back in there, so I'm really excited.